What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your engine bay, and in this video I'll be cleaning my 96 Toyota Prado diesel engine. It's a 3.0 1KZ, and I'll be using a power washer method, but you can still use a garden hose in this application. And I'll show you a couple of things that you will need prior to preparing your engine and washing your car. So as you can see, my engine bay has seen better days. It has been through a lot of mud puddles and a lot of trips before the lockdown happened here in New Zealand, and now it is the good time as well to have some attention to my engine bay and wash it. So yeah, let's get to it. So here are the things that you need in washing your engine bay: a microfiber towel, workshop wipes, a mighty toothbrush, foil, shimmy, a degreaser, engine degreaser, and all-purpose cleaner, silicone, and like I said, you could use a garden hose. Upon preparing your engine and washing, just make sure the battery is disconnected, or better yet, remove the whole battery, and make sure the dipstick is properly seated. Make sure the caps are in there tight, nice and tight, and double check if you have a transmission dipstick as well. Just make sure you have that checked as well. And pretty much that's it. Electrical stuff in these engine, since it's a diesel, I don't worry much about electrical stuff like distributor or the spark plugs, but be very mindful on the connections, the electrical connections. In this case, I will use the foil to cover this part, same as through that part. Just make sure to just check all the electrical connections that you can see and cover it with foil, so that it will at least get it safe from any damage that it will cause. And in the power washer method, you won't be blasting directly on the stuff that you are blasting. You will need to have a safe distance as well. So I'll prepare this engine and let us wash the engine. So I prepped the engine, and one thing to mention again is if you can access your radiator area, just check if you have some contaminants that's hanging on. For mine, like I said, I've been to a lot of mud puddles this past trips that I had. You could see right there, there's a buildup right there, and I definitely know that is from the last trip that I have been through, because it's pretty muddy. And yeah, you just spray that one with degreaser or all-purpose cleaner, and just use your brush to agitate the dirt, and pretty much that's it. Hey guys, so I've finished washing my engine. I did use the microfiber towel to wipe off excess water and brush to agitate some stuff, and just, yeah, look at the state of it. And I found this poor honeybee that's stuck on my intercooler. She might got caught in the last trip that I did in a farm. And I did use some silicone to bring out the plastic thing to pop out. And if you guys love this video, please do hit that subscribe button and that like button at the same time. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.